As a business owner, how many times have you been in the position where you're struggling trying to make your workflow seamless? Handling a business is more than just looking for a client, doing the work, and then receiving payment. It's a lot more than that, and the hardest part is trying to keep track of all the little details that we tend to forget, especially if you are a busy business owner. And when I say clients, I'm also talking about the brands that you work with, the people who are pitching you for guest posts, other bloggers who want to collaborate with you on different projects. Anything like that that relates to your blog and your business is your client. And not to mention, if you have never tried any software before and you have zero knowledge on how to operate one, in this lesson, I'm going to be sharing some of my workflow tips and strategies and sharing with you my recommended client management system, which is called Honeybook. It is an online tool and an app, and it is so useful. I recently started using it a couple weeks ago to get all of my projects and clients and tasks where everything can be managed in one seamless location. And I don't know how I ever ran my business without it before. It has been so helpful to me in getting focused and prioritizing what's important, having a visual of all of my clients and projects that are on the go, and it's just keeping me on my toes. So right now we're gonna just jump into talking about Honeybook, how I use it, all the different features that it offers, and how it may help you in your business. And then in the next lesson, we're going to work together on a project. So I'm going to give you a little bit of homework where we're going to do a workflow workshop, and I'll give you an assignment that you can set up your own project in Honeybook. And I have a link for you that you can start with using Honeybook for free on a free trial. And if you do end up upgrading, my link gives you 50% off for your full year at Honeybook. First, let's talk about what Honeybook is, what it can do, why I like it, and why it might be useful for you too. So first things first, Honeybook is a CRM. That's a client relationship management tool. But it's really so much more than that. And yes, there are plenty of other CRM platforms out there, but today I'm going to help you understand more about it and why I think that Honeybook is the best CRM software for your business. Sign up for your free Honeybook trial so you can follow along with this as we jump right into it. At its core, Honeybook allows you to manage everything from the one platform. And when I say everything, I really do mean everything. When you sign up for Honeybook, the first thing that you will notice is the customization of a few things that are related to your business and branding. So these include your company's name, logo, invoice, memos, and a lot more. And you can have more than one company on your Honeybook account for no extra charge, with each additional company having their own portals and workspaces. So this is perfect if you are like me and own multiple blogs and you need to keep all of their projects and finances separate. So when you're finally logged in, you'll see that everything is seamlessly divided into different sections on your main dashboard. You'll be able to see the sections for your projects, calendar, bookkeeping, resources, and templates. Templates is like your brochures, your media kits, your invoices, your legal contracts that you send out to your clients, anything that you want to have them sign or see, that is under templates. And that's actually the first place that you should start, is by looking at the templates and creating your own contracts and proposals and everything. Just have it all there. And then when you do add a client to a project, you can attach one of those templates to their project, and then they can log in and see all of that under their own client portal. So each of these sections functions differently in helping you to keep track of your proposals, your clients, your progress, invoices, projects, meetings, and honestly, a whole lot more. So Honeybook software helps in streamlining your business by creating automated processes while you are still focusing on working on your actual work. This helps in ensuring that you are still profitable even though you are busy working on your current projects. The workflow is also customizable and very easy to use. For most people, they'll tend to start their business by handling everything by hand, from meeting with clients by filling out paper contracts to accepting payments only in cash or check. And now when we're talking about running a blog and an online business, you're probably not doing so much in-person work. Most of it will be through emails. You'll have like a million threads of emails for different clients and different brands that you're pitching to and working with. And with Honeybook, you're able to have all of that digital stuff, all of those PayPal invoices, everything. You're able to just bring it all into Honeybook and have it all under a nicely organized house for it all. So nothing is scattered around your different folders and programs and all over the internet anymore. It's all in one place. So when you start using Honeybook, you're going to love how simple it is. Having one reliable platform to help you communicate electronically, send proposals and contracts, and invoicing your clients is just such a valuable investment for your business and your own peace of mind. So this will not only bring good experiences to you, but to your clients as well. When you're using Honeybook, you're giving your clients a completely professional and seamless journey working with you. With that being said, we are going to explore each of the sections to better understand what you can expect from this type of software. So the first thing is the client intake form. So if you are a busy business owner and you don't have a ton of time to accept or deny all interested clients that are coming through your website, you should definitely utilize the contact form. And even if you're not super busy yet, just use the contact form. You can set it up in Honeybook and then embed it into your website. So that means you'll no longer need to use like Contact Form 7 plugin or the Jetpack plugin, anything like that. You can just have an embedded form on your contact page where people can fill out their information, tell you what they need. You can decide what type of questions you're going to ask them right in that intake form and save their answers into your Honeybook account. Everything gets imported into your account where you can see it individualized as a project. So every time you get a new inquiry from your contact form, it'll show up as a new project and a new workflow in your Honeybook account. This is going to save you a ton of time. Honeybook integrates seamlessly with Gmail. So you just attach your Gmail account and all of your projects and things will just kind of work together nicely. This feature also helps you separate the serious clients with the not so serious clients. It also helps you stay aligned with the right people. So you can easily customize this form and then embed it into your website with under 5 minutes of your time. And it is so helpful. So here's an example. I've actually replaced all of my contact forms on Blogs for Sale right on that first form here. You can see how much is your website worth. I have the questions that I need people to tell me before I can give them a website valuation. And so it's right all there in the contact form. They fill it out, it shows up in my Honeybook, and then I can reply right from within Honeybook and give them an answer and tell them how much their website is worth. And then if they become a client, we list their site and the whole process, all the legal forms and documents and contracts, everything that I have to send with them. It's all under this nice, tidy little workflow of my Honeybook projects. So speaking about project management, when it comes to task management, Honeybook allows you to keep track of different stages of your projects and manage your clients a lot easier than any other CRM system that I've ever seen before. So the best part about project management in Honeybook is how you can easily share the files and organize payment schedules. Honeybook is a great software for a flexible communication between business owners and their clients. On top of that, you can also send automated emails to your clients. This allows you to gather both Facebook and Google reviews for your satisfied clients without you needing to send separate emails to each of them. When it comes to Honeybook, the organization is the main recipe for this software. I love that it comes with templates for proposals, contracts, emails, and brochures already made, and you can just fill in your own information. And the fact that you can easily send these with all of the info and your pricing and your proposals and everything in less than 5 minutes is beyond amazing. Another cool feature that Honeybook offers is the questionnaire. So one of the most important things when it comes to working with your clients is understanding things from their perspective. And so this is why sending questionnaires is crucial, especially before any project starts. With Honeybook, you can easily customize questionnaires by using the templates and personalize them according to your needs and your own voice. Once you're done, you can either automatically send the email via the platform, or you can also save it as a PDF and print the file. Client communication is just the key to a successful business, and this is why I think that using Honeybook questionnaires feature is a great step in managing your clients and your projects. The calendar management. So the calendar features help you to keep track of your progress with each of your clients. What I love the most about this is how you can integrate Google Calendar and Calendly appointments with your calendar easily. You just connect your Calendly account and you can again use your embedded form from Calendly to do online booking. So you need someone to book in a session, a one-on-one coaching session, or just a free session to chat about something, giving a discovery call, that sort of thing. Just with a click of a button, they can go and book you. They see your calendar when you're available and they can book in a time that works, and you get a notification showing that you have a booking that you can confirm or deny. So many business owners struggle trying to have a clean and organized calendar, and sometimes they are overbooked and double booked because of a lack of organization skills when it comes to calendar management. I have totally been that person, and I am not that person anymore. So this is why using Honeybook as your one and only client onboarding software is very important. You get to be the boss of your calendar instead of letting your business being overwhelmed by appointments and meetings that you are not even aware of. Honeybook helps to sync up your calendar so that you can view all of your projects seamlessly. It does feel nice to have one dashboard for all of your projects like this. The workflows. When it comes to choosing a CRM software, one of the most requested questions is, how good is the workflow? With Honeybook, you can easily automate most parts of your business. Some of the workflows that you can do include sending a link to book a discovery call. As I said before, Honeybook integrates seamlessly with Calendly. Sending a link to the questionnaires to learn more about your clients before the project starts. Sending a proposal and or a contract for the project, including requesting e-signatures. You can actually have all of your e-signatures done right through the app as well. Sending invoices, so clients can pay you via Honeybook's payment processor, which then Honeybook will pay you out via Stripe to your bank account, or you can request payment from your client a different way, like invoicing them through PayPal, and then you just keep a record of it in your Honeybook account. Honeybook will also send a reminder to your client before the payment due date, as well as after if they were late to pay. So this saves you a little bit of awkwardness. You don't have to chase down your clients and, ask for money or feel like you're bothering them. Honeybook just does that for you. And it's like, hey, this is due. Ding. I love that feature. Sending an automated follow-up email after the completion of the project is another thing that Honeybook can do in your workflow, and that is really, really helpful as well. When it comes to the project queue, you are able to set things up the way that you want them to be. So depending on the nature of your business, it is important for you to be able to track everything well. On days when you're busy with schedules, Honeybook works as your reminder, and it's showing you what tasks need to be prioritized first. With this feature, it allows you to maintain a seamless workflow. The templates. So one of my most favorite features is how easily customizable the templates for proposals and contracts and brochures and invoices are. You should start by creating your templates in the template section and not within the individual projects. This way, you can create a document that can be edited and reused with other clients with ease. The brochure is the best template to start with, as you can include a sort of media kit-like proposal for your project that you are pitching to a client, and include a selection of packages that they can choose from. You can then bundle their invoice right into their brochure, and they can even pay it right from that one send. For most business owners, the least fun part is probably invoicing the clients. If the nature of your business tends to revolve around being creative with your clients, being able to apply that same creativity into your templates might be important to your business. So with Honeybook, it enables this mindset. By configuring the templates, you can easily show your clients the details of your pricing, which are included in each package or service, and how they can book you for projects. Honeybook is not as complicated as most CRM software out there, and that is definitely one of the reasons why I love Honeybook and why most business owners are shifting to Honeybook. So everything is easily adjustable and cleanly laid out for you to make sure that you can make the changes as you go. With just a few clicks of the buttons, you can send brochures, proposals, contracts, and invoices easily to your prospective client. In the case where you need to set up a payment plan, you can also specifically do this to make sure that your clients are well aware of when payment should be done. For business owners who prefer breaking their pricing into multiple payments, you can easily offer retainers for your clients too. The client portal is awesome. With Honeybook, every step of your client's journey working with you is managed from inside of Honeybook. And what's really cool is that each of your clients will have their own client portal, which they can log in to view, sign, and access all of their contracts and forms from you. For contracts and legal matters, just like the rest of the automated features, contracts can easily be sent to your prospective clients by simply clicking the send button. When it comes to putting together your contract, you will need to add in your own legal information. Depending on what type of business you run and the specific needs of your project, you will need one or a couple lawyer-drafted legal contract templates. Check out the links in the description of this video because I have recommendations for where you can get really affordable legal contracts for like a freelancer contract, guest blogger template, affiliate agreement template, confidentiality template, which is a non-disclosure agreement, sponsored post contracts, a media release agreement, an LLC operating agreement, even a coaching agreement. Check out the link in the description where you can find all of these legal page templates. Once you have your legal contract, simply bring it into Honeybook and include blocks where your client needs to fill in their own information. Then with the click of a button, you send it and away it goes for them to sign. Other features that Honeybook offers is time tracking. So if your projects require that you log your time, Honeybook allows you to track your time easily. This is not an actual timer. However, with this time tracking feature, you can still create invoices from your track time to make everything a lot easier for you. So let's talk about Honeybook's accounting and bookkeeping. Honeybook offers a really handy bookkeeping feature, and it also integrates with QuickBooks. Without QuickBooks connected, Honeybook's own bookkeeping features can help you keep track of your earnings and how much you're spending on your business, including managing the profit and loss of your blog. This feature can offer convenient glimpses into your business expenses and view your cost of goods and profit all in one organized place. And with the Honeybook QuickBooks integration, you can use it for all your business accounting and just send the CSV over to your accountant come tax time. And the last feature that I want to mention here is something really cool, and it is so unusual. You're not going to find this feature on any other type of CRM software out there, and that is the Honeybook community feature. Yes, it has its own social network and business networking portal where all these other Honeybook users, all these creatives and business owners and just general people are posting jobs and posting looking for people to work with, collaborate with. You can promote your business. It's pretty amazing. The fact that you can easily find your community by narrowing down the location makes this CRM platform worth the investment and more. You will never feel alone in your business journey anymore because Honeybook helps you connect with the right community. Just log in, set up your profile, and then just start posting and start engaging and interacting with what other people are posting. How much does Honeybook cost? If you are signing up for Honeybook without my discount link, you will see two options for payment. You can either pay $40 per month or $400 per year. With each of these plans, you will get access to a 7-day free trial to test out Honeybook and see if you like it. You do not need to type in your credit card number. You can just log in and start using all of the features for a full week. But as I mentioned, I have a referral link that can give you a big discount. So when you sign up with my Honeybook link is in the description, or just go to herpaperroute.com/honeybook, you will get your free 7-day trial. Plus, if you decide to upgrade after your trial, you will get 50% off your full first year. That is a savings of $280. And just like the regular options, you are still able to test out Honeybook for that free 7 days. You don't have to enter any credit card information. Now, in order to start our next lessons, You will need to sign up for a Honeybook trial so that you can follow along and set up your projects with me. We're going to jump right into those lessons now. So go on and sign up for your trial at herpaperroute.com/honeybook or the link below, and then come back and we can start your first Honeybook workflow workshop.